Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Vampire Kim, chapter 38. So here it is. Let's read the story. Josiah said, "Yes, he was the one who eliminated my parents." Now, looking at her, she was really angry. Today, I will stand for my parents and all the people who eliminated unjustly at his hands. Now, it's time for her to take revenge. "I really want to eliminate Ethan, and you will pay now," Josiah said to him. Now, she was really rushing through towards Ethan. "But Ethan, do you only have this trick? Such a courageous little snack, such a weak force. How dare you to provoke me?" Ethan, it seems that he is really confident on himself that she can defeat Chelsea. Of course, it's more than that. Now, Ethan, her flowers really searching and said it was not good. Well, he really was strong. But do you think Chelsea, and she really defeated her? Right now, the magic of Josiah, it seems that it was no match for Ethan. Ethan, he can easily accept that, but looking at it, it seems that there is a side effect affecting Ethan. Well, it seems that after not dodging Josiah's power, Ethan, it seems that his hands got injured. Don't think one more magic circle can defeat me now. It seems that the wound really vanished fast, no effect on Ethan. But suddenly, Ethan just seems to be surprised. Well, looking at him, there's something happening to him. He said to himself, "How is this possible?" Well, it turns out, Irina, she arrived on the place. "How could I let you continue to be arrogant today with the hands of Josiah?" Oh, right now. Turns out, Irina, she really came, and she really can able to see Josiah will be hurt because of Ethan. "Say goodbye to your life, Ethan." Oh, Irina. Oh, finally, she was really decided that she's going to help Josiah defeat Ethan so she can get what she wants on Josiah. Suddenly, Ethan, he took out his sword. "Lord Earl, be careful. Now, there's another vampire are coming through and wants to interrupt them." Suddenly, Ethan grabs this girl. Well, it seems that Ethan is losing her vision and right now she wants to drag the other vampire and get the power so he can absorb and gain more power. "No, Viscount sir, but human, you succeeded in angering me so." After taking off the power of her colleague, right now Ethan, he became more powerful, but now she's going to grab Josiah. "You can die for me." Well, this is really cruel. And it seems that Rina, she was too late to act fast right now. He was in front of Josiah, even though she was screaming. Irina, she can really help her. Josiah, she gets slashed by Ethan, and it was really the end of her. Josiah, before her eyes getting close, she said to herself, "No, I can die yet." But of course, right now, she is seeing the image of Irina. Irina was calling her. Looking at Josiah, it seems that she's going to close her eyes. "Mom, are you here? Are you going to pick me up?" Well, this is really sad, but luckily, Irina came to her and said, "Josiah, get up." Now, she's giving her a flower. Well, let's hope for this. No, the black magic will stay on her traces. Even she is healed in the future, she will be entangled by the side effect of black magic for the rest of her life and cannot be cured. Since Irina is resurrected, well, she was right, but right now Ethan was not good. She must report this as soon as possible. He's trying to escape from Irina, but of course, he cannot let go. Right now, Irina, power is really surging, and she's trying to control Ethan. And now Ethan, he's been tied up by the power of Irina. He cannot let go of himself. Now, looking at this poor man. Of course, the priority of Irina is to save Chelsea at this moment. That's why I won't let you die in the hands of others. Right now, Irina. She kissed Chelsea and trying to resurrect her. But let's hope she can be resurrected even though Irina will use a black magic power to be able to revive her. Right now, the magic circle, and it seems that it was really working. Chelsea, she breathed in. Turns out Irina, she was really successful. Her surprise, she was really puzzled and she noted to herself that she already died. Right now, Chelsea, she is holding her neck. Probably, she wants to make sure that she is alive. And I'm still alive, Chelsea said to herself. Right now, when she wake up, she's seeing Ethan is already chained off, wounded, and now he is really weak. Her surprise said, Ethan, someone is helping me right now. But it's no time for that. Ethan was there and no matter who is helping me, Chelsea right now. Of course, she need to eliminate Ethan so she can take revenge for her parents. She lift up the dagger, put it on Ethan. Chelsea said to Ethan, why does it feel like I woke up after I sleep and my magic becomes stronger? Oh, since she was infused by the black magic given by Irina. Now, her powers are really surging up. It's so easy to avenge my parent. Chelsea said to herself. Now, looking at it seems that the side effect is taking off. Right now, it seems that she is laughing continuously. It was the side effect of the black magic. Looking at her face. Although, we can guarantee if she's going to be a vampire. Definitely, she was really changed. Dad, Mom, I finally eliminated Ethan and I already have revenge on you. It was the side effects of black magic and it's effective, Rina said to herself. Now, she is seeing that Chelsea is being different. Chelsea said to herself, Mom, Dad, I'm leaving. Well, since the commotion is already done, Rina came back of being compelled. You can go back, don't worry about me. Well, right now, what is she trying to do? I will definitely come back with my fiancé Chelsea safely. Campbell, she was really mischievous. Oh, Chelsea don't know. Irina is the one who is helping her. She will became new president of the guild. Well, let's see what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!